Hello everyone, this is your friend Dom Gamad. In this video, I want you to teach on how to solve a worded problem just like this one. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 120, so find the largest number. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to receive the latest video. Okay guys, let's get started. Now, the first thing to do is we're going to assign, so let x, this will be the first number. The second is x plus 1. This will be the second number. The third is x plus 2. Third number. The next to do is we're going to add them all together. X plus 1 plus this one, x plus 2. So the sum of three consecutive numbers is 120. Now we're going to combine terms. So we have 3x here. So we're gonna write 3x and number 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Is equals to 120. So 3x. Now we are going to transpose positive 3 to the right side. So it changes sign. This becomes negative 3. 3x is equal to 120 minus 3 is 117. So we are going to divide 3 on both sides. 3, just to eliminate the 3. Now x is equal to 117 divided by 3 is 39. So this will be the first integer. This is the first number, okay? And then the next is, since our x is equal to 39, now we are going to find out what is the second number by using this one, x plus 1. X plus 1. Then our x is 39 plus 1. This will be 40. So this is our second number. Okay. Now the third number, we're gonna use this x plus 2. Again, we are going to replace 39 to the place of x. So this will be 39 plus 2 is 41. So this will be the third number. Now, to be able to know if our answers are correct, we're going to check. So we're gonna add by checking. Okay, our x is the second. We have here the first number, 39 plus 40 plus 41. So 10 carry 1, 120. Okay, our answer are correct. Why? Because the total of the three numbers that we had already is 120, the same as the sum of the three consecutive numbers here in the question. Okay, we have 120. Now the question is, we're going to find the largest number. Which among them is the largest? Of course, the largest is the third number, this one. So this is our answer. Okay, the largest number. Okay, the largest number is 41. Okay guys, I hope you learned and enjoyed with this topic. Please do subscribe to receive the latest video uploaded here on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.